How to use Planet Fitness Hack Squat Machine. I'm going to tell you how to use the Hack Squat Machine at Planet Fitness. First, step onto the platform facing away from the machine, shoulders and hips pressed into the pad, and place your feet about shoulder width apart. Lower placement hits quads harder. Unlock the safety handles, adjust your stance so your knees stay over your toes, and slowly bend down until your thighs are parallel. Control on the way down and drive through your heels to stand back up. Use moderate weight at first. Some users even start with just the machine's base resistance before adding plates. And set rep ranges around 10 to 12 for 3 to 4 sets. Pause briefly at the bottom, brace your core, and don't lock your knees at the top to prevent hyperextension. Wipe down the pad after use, reset the weight, and you're good.